always fun doing laundry, living out of a camper. And just like that, we're done. This laundry basket right here, I think we did 2 loads in the washing machine and 1 load in the dryer. And Shannon will tell us how much.
We did 2 loads. Each load was $3 a piece. Then you got points at this particular laundromat because everything is done on your handy dandy phone with an app. We got points, which allowed us to do the free dry, so it costs $6.
One of our best purchases we made so far, being in the camping RV life now, is what?
The collapsible laundry basket. Because then when we're not using it, we can just fold it down and throw it in the closet.
All right, now that we got some clean clothes, maybe we'll smell better. All right, guys, till next time.